Routes and stops are two major components of a bus transit system. Our application receives the routes and stops using an input text file. Let me give you an example. On the left, you see a text file that indicates there are two routes in this network, 51 and 55. On Route 51, there are a few stops, stop number 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and the coordinates, latitude and longitude of each stop is specified here. If we plot these using their coordinates, the network, route number 51, specified by blue here, looks something like this, where if a bus starts on S1 stop with these coordinates, then we'll go to a 7 with these coordinates, and then 6, 5, 3, 2, and then returns to number 1. The same applies to the other route on this network, 55, which start from stop 8, 9, 10, then goes to 4, 12, 13, 14, and back, and returns back. Our application receives this geometry using the text files. You'll need to copy the full path to the file here. Just for convenience, we fill it with this button. The application shows the list of stops alphabetically, but in the back end, the application understands the right order of things and which stop belongs to which route correctly, so that the bus moves correctly between the stops.